Should you stay in your home as you get older, or is it smarter to sell and make a move?
Because this is a question more homeowners are starting to ask, especially here in Queens.
And the truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer.
But there is a right answer for you, based on your lifestyle, your home, and your future plans.
Let's start with what most people feel.
Studies show that nearly 90% of adults over 65 prefer to stay in their home as their age.
And honestly, that makes a lot of sense.
It's your space, your memories, your comfort zone.
But even if staying feels right, you still need a plan.
Because the home that worked perfectly before may need to evolve with you.
Sometimes it's simple upgrades.
Like adding grab bars or making small safety improvements.
Other times it's bigger changes.
Like reworking layout or moving key living spaces to the first floor.
And here's the key. Planning early gives you options.
Time to budget, time to find the right contractors, and time to avoid making rushed decisions.
And depending on your situation, there may be financial assistance programs available.
Now, staying isn't always the best option.
Sometimes the home that once made life easier starts to make life harder.
That could be
Too much maintenance,
stairs that are harder to manage,
or simply being too far from family or support.
and sometimes it's not about necessity.
It's about lifestyle.
Some homeowners just want to simplify
Or downsize.
or move somewhere that better fits their next chapter.
Whether that's a smaller home, a 55+ community, or being closer to loved ones.
So how do you decide?
It's not about choosing today.
It's about understanding your options early,
So when the time comes, you're confident.
not rush.
I'm Elias.
And I'm Alejandra, your real estate brokers with Empire Fine Homes.
So if you're starting to think about whether staying or selling makes sense for you,
Let's have a conversation
we'll walk you through your options.
and we'll help you to make the best decision for your future. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
For more real estate insights, right here in Queens, New York.